Hi traders, this is TradeAlerter from Forexsignals.com coming to you on the 1st of October 2014, new month, new opportunities. Today's Wednesday and we do have the ADP, which is a preview of the NFP coming out on Friday. Now this ADP number, while not a big mover, will get you some sort of indication not only on forecast for the NFP, so a big miss here will start people talking about a big miss on Friday, but also the price action. Yeah, so price action post a big miss, if the market shrugs it off and keeps on buying US dollars, you can sense that it may continue to do that on Friday, even with another weak number like we had last month, which is important for your planning. All right, so I'll be watching today's ADP on the dollar yen. We have dollar yen tested 110, which is a huge number in the market. It's been the number that most of the banks have been targeting for the year end. And so we did have some profit taking earlier today after it tested it, but it is on the way back right now. So second test is much more dangerous, yeah, but also more meaningful if it fails. Okay, so it's a lot of information is going to be given to you. We do have the ADP, and then we have the US ISM manufacturing PMI. So this will help you with your decision-making process to see how much legs are left in this dollar rally. So not only on dollar yen, if we do see some movement, we will see some movement on the euro. Yeah, so the euro has been pretty sold heavily lately, like the dollar yen has been bought. And if we see dollar yen fail, then that will help the euro rally. And the euro has every chance of rallying pre-ECB anyway. And even if the ECB comes out and is bearish, that's expected now. So let's talk about expectations, and reality is very important in the game. We haven't had a correction yet. Everyone's just selling on rallies, and that doesn't work forever. Yeah, it's been working for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but eventually you have this big shakeout, big reversal, 200 or 300 pips, enough to take out the people who are buying US dollars without thinking. And that gives you a good opportunity to get involved in these trends, from a much better price. So 128, 127.50, or 108, 109, 10 on the dollar yen. There are some pairs showing some basing signs. Yeah, so one of the most important ones, and ones I watch, are the Aussie and the Kiwi. They've been some of the most heavily sold, and we saw a big move here on Monday on the Kiwi, and it's bounced back up and found support today as well. And we had the Aussie test its year lows from January, which is down at 86.10, 86.60, sorry, and it's also bounced. So we could get that follow through tomorrow with a little more bounce on the Aussie. Wouldn't be surprising. I did sell the immediate rally, but that's not a long-term trade in my opinion. I'll be actually looking to get long the Aussie via either the Euro Aussie short, yeah, so that's taking advantage of any Euro weakness tomorrow, or via that's the Euro Aussie short graph there in front of us, or via the Aussie yen. I'm actually more in favor of the Aussie yen. I pull back here a little bit further. Yeah, you can see what we're looking at here is a daily. A little bit further will get you to that nice support zone around about 94.50. If we were to get there, then the risk reward of going long, targeting the good resistance up towards 96 is pretty strong. The Euro Aussie is a little bit more dangerous because we do have to play the ECB. How I would like to play it is two ways. Yeah, if the ECB comes in and then doesn't say anything dramatic, or the market takes it as a sign that the ECB is going to be waiting and seeing its announcements from last month, you're going to see that Euro rally. Now, this may allow the Euro Aussie to go back up towards that 146, 145.80 big resistance. And if we see that up there and the market start to stall again, it's a great selling opportunity. Yeah, with stop just above 146. If we see the ECB come out with some extra jawboning or even new announcements, and the euro falls straight away down to say 143.80 or even 143.20, then I'll be looking to sell the next rally above that. Yeah, so I'm looking at a 100 pip rally off whatever low we get tomorrow after a big announcement that allows the selling. So that's one way of trading it, and that will sort of be a little bit more immune to whatever happens in the non-farm payrolls. Yeah, so sometimes when you don't want to trade non-farms with the majors because there is such volatility, you can get into trades which allow you to be playing let's say a fundamental view or just a good risk reward view without playing with the US dollar. We will be talking obviously about the non-farm payrolls on Friday. It is this big announcement, and we could have some trade ideas for that, but there's such a big amount of time before then and such a big announcement from the ECB tomorrow. It's best just to wait and see. So once again, focus on ADP coming out in approximately half an hour. That will be important to see the reaction on the dollar yen, and so we can start to gameplay and strategize what will happen after the NFP number itself. All right, so come through, guys, to forexsignals.com if you have any questions. There's a live chat room there that's 24/7. You can find me there most of the trading days. My name is TradeAlerter. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.